Hi, it is Kathleen and I am going to be recreating the purple eyeshadow look that Doja Cat was sporting in the VMAs, and I'll insert a picture right here. For me, I'm getting 80s vibes. I'm getting retro vibes, but on her it looks more futuristic. I feel like she definitely inspired this look for me. I always used to wear purple eyeshadow before, and now I'm bringing it back because purple eyeshadow actually brings out brown eyes. So if you have brown eyes, purple eyeshadow is a go-to. Let's get started. I'm gonna start off with doing the eye look. I already have my foundation on. I'm gonna go in with my Shape Tape Concealer from Tarte, and I got this from my BoxyCharm subscription. It's in the color A-Light, so it's definitely not my color. I love that it has a sponge tip, but I haven't used it. I feel like I do love it, but it would just get so dirty easily and I have to take the time and the effort to wash it, so it's just gonna be decoration for now. I am planning to do a cut crease, but before I do that, I'm gonna prime my lids and apply liberally the concealer so it has like a good tacky base. I'm gonna take my beauty blend. I'm gonna take the pointed end and I'm just going to dab the product in to distribute the product evenly. I love a good clean canvas.
I love doing eyeshadow.
I got this brush from my BoxyCharm subscription. It's from the Lavish brand. Let me double check. I just saw it Lavish. I like that it's like a fluffy angled brush. I'm gonna use my KAB Cosmetic eyeshadow palette. I'm going to go in with Sand right here. It's like a beautiful mauve, and I'm gonna use it as my transitional eye color. I'm gonna go in the crease first. So it's gonna give me a guide because I am gonna cut crease. I'm gonna go in for the kill, as I like to say. It is giving. Look at this transitional color. It is pigmented to the woods. I'm going to go in with a cut crease. I'm just gonna take my Morphe eyeshadow brush, and it's kind of like a flat top. I'm going to take this same concealer. I'm gonna apply it directly on the back of my hand so I could see the product. I'm going to take the concealer and I'm going to do a cut crease on my eyelid. Let's zoom it in for you. And just only do the eyelid. I'm going to take my OPV Beauty eyeshadow palette that I got from my BoxyCharm. I'm going to go in with Exposure. It's this beautiful black color. I'm going to take a flat top brush. Going to apply black eyeshadow where I did the cut crease. And apply that all over my lid. And you'll get something like this. I'm gonna go in with this beautiful color. It's called Show. It's like a purple pink color and it's giving. It's giving. I'm going to apply that on top of the black eyeshadow. I'm gonna start off on the center part of my lid. You'll get something like this. I'm gonna take a eyeshadow pencil brush right here. It's from the same BoxyCharm brush collection. Go back with my KAB Cosmetic palette. Going to take the color Twinkle right here. I'm gonna apply that on the center. I want it to have like a galaxy kind of vibe. Giving. I'm gonna go in with my same angled brush. I'm going to take my other, back and forth with these two palettes. I'm going to go in with All That Sparkle. It's this color right here. I'm gonna go in the crease. Oh, it's giving. It is giving. And I'm going to smudge out my crease. Define it. I'm gonna go in with exposure again, right here. Put that on the crease. The corner, I should say, sorry. And this creates somewhat of a cat eye. Shape. It's giving. It's giving. It's giving. I could clean it up with the KAB Cosmetics again. I'm gonna go in with this color Halo. It's like a purple matte color. And I'm going to put that on top of the smoke. And pack in that color. Bring it up to the brow bone because we are adventurous. Going in with my same pencil brush. I'm just so excited. It's turning out amazing. I'm going to take the color exposure again. It's always about the back and forth. Go underneath. And I'm gonna line my eye. Yeah, I am touching my eyeball. And it doesn't hurt. And then connect the lower lash line to the corner of your eye to get that look. Now I'm gonna go in with black eyeliner. I got this, it's like the Pen Pal, and it has multiple colors. It's like reminds me from like kindergarten. I'm gonna use the black eyeliner edition. There's a highlight, there's a lip liner, there's a brow pencil. It's amazing. I got it from my boxy. Line the, I'm gonna tight line the bottom lash line. Tight line the top lash line. I'm also going to line the top. Something like that. Doesn't have to be perfect, but I'm gonna go in with my liquid eyeliner. I'm gonna do that actually off camera so I can get a straight line. Okay, I'm back, and I did add a little bit more eyeshadow on my lid. I added Twinkle Twinkle right here. Added Twinkle Twinkle from the KAB Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. I also added my lashes and I got my line situated, and it's giving. I noticed that it's not as purple as I want it to be, so I'm going to take my setting spray, go back in. So this is a flat brush, and I need to pack in this color Halo right here. underneath my brow bone because it needs to scream Purple Rain on my brow bone. It's giving, it's giving. Okay, so this is the finished eye look. I'm gonna do both and then we'll conjugate. Okay, I'm back with the finished look. I added the eyelashes. I think I said that earlier. I fixed I did the rest of my face. And I'm gonna show you guys some of the products that I use. Before I get into that, I'm gonna spray. I love the Morphe setting spray. It is a game changer. Boom, 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 boom. Oh my goodness, seriously? One of my favorite go-tos. This is controversial. Love this more than the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. I said what I said. I said what I said. Because it gives more of a radiant look. Like, I mean, I look alive. And trust me, that was definitely a different vibe than 10 minutes ago. So I didn't really want to show all my adjusting because I kept on adding more shadows, like right here. The purple wasn't giving, so I had to give. I'm just kidding, no. So I added more purple. I added more purple on the lid because it was more like a black smoky eye. And this look right now is giving me 80s vibes. Doja Cat was sporting this at the VMAs, but it looked more futuristic on her. Maybe it's because of the way my hair is and etc, etc. But I am getting like 80s disco vibes. It's crazy how different looks could look different on different people. So the bronzer that I use, and by the way, I'm using this brush. This brush is just so luxurious. I bought this in Las Vegas. It's a Morphe like bronzer powder brush. And I use this hydrating complexion trio. I got this from my BoxyCharm. Oh, BoxyCharm is just life. And the products are so good. So I like to use the darkest color because I want a dramatic contour. And I use this color Always Summer and I just, feels like a dream. And boom. I use that. And for my lips, I only use a lip liner. And I use the Los Angeles NYX lip liner. And it's this color. Nudes make me look dead because they're so light. So I like a brown nude. So I do overline a little bit. I don't really typically wear lipstick, believe it or not. Just wear a lip liner. And boom, I'm done. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys give this eyeshadow look a try. And I'll see you guys next time.